So it's corporate news coming thick and fast here, I see. What did you think of the Tiger results?
Tiger results, it's astonishing because you might think of this company as kind of the peanut butter and Marmite people, but actually they're grains and milling and baking is where it's at. So
lots of that staple business still very significant in terms of revenue.
Tastic rice, ace mealie meal, those types of things, and obviously the bread too.
Profits coming mostly from there as well?
Yes, but there's much higher margin in some of the other stuff that they do. So kind of the beverages and snacks and treats and groceries and that sort of stuff, even though it contributes much less to revenue, it's a much higher margin business.
It always seemed like a solid company, good dividend policy, relatively stable management, good brand portfolio.
And about 20 billion rands worth of sales across South Africa and slowly creeping into international markets.
Well, they did go sort of into South America and stuff, but I gather they're now more focused on Africa, which seems like a good call. And then talking corporate results, Vodacom's numbers yesterday seemed okay to me. Interesting that they're seeing a greater contribution from data sales and arguing that at the top end of their data customer market, people seem less concerned about the price and more concerned about reliability and speed.
32% growth in group data revenue.
Although we see on Twitter lots of people complaining about how shockingly bad Vodacom's 3G network actually is and how terrible it is in terms of connectivity.
I actually used a friend's device over the weekend's Apple iPhone, same as mine, and his connection, I'm on an MTN one, his on Vodacom, we were standing next to each other and his was shocking.
His was worse.
His was much worse.
And then perhaps a little bit closer to home for us anyway, Impala and Anglo-Plat's both coincidentally out with trading updates yesterday. How's it seem to be going in the platinum business?
Impala with a production report, and interestingly the platinum production, about everything is about the same as it was on a rolling 9-month basis to March. What was interesting is the grades were slightly better, and as you can imagine, the prices received in dollars much better, although the exchange rate not really in the company's favour. Then Amplat's looking a little bit better, as you would expect.
Yeah, so those are corporate stories against a rather mixed global backdrop. US markets clawed their way back into the green last night. Asia seems a bit mixed, so we'll see where we go. For the moment anyway, some of the hysteria seems to be subsiding.